Think it through before the hearing starts, rather than being surprised when you go in. I'll talk a bit more about why this can be helpful in the next video. The court order might say that your case is listed for a particular type of hearing and might give you a time estimate. Cases often overrun though, so do make sure that you make arrangements for childcare and parking and time off work on the basis that you might be stuck at court for the whole day, even if the time estimate on the court order is much less. That way you won't be worrying about parking tickets and school runs and can just focus on the hearing. If you have special dietary requirements, bring a snack with you. Some courts have a cafe, others have a snack machine, and some have neither. And not every court is within easy reach of a sandwich shop. If you do have to get away by a certain time, make sure to tell the court staff and the others involved in the case at the first opportunity and ask for the judge to be made aware. They may be able to try and prioritise your case. Don't bring the kids to court with you unless the court has asked you to do so. You will almost certainly not be able to bring them into court unless it's a very small baby and there's no alternative. Family cases aren't open to the public, and although the press are allowed into the hearing, they rarely come and can be excluded if appropriate. If you've brought a friend with you to court, they may be able to come into the hearing and sit quietly and support you, but not speak on your behalf. Someone who does this is called a Mackenzie friend. You should tell the usher when you arrive that you have a friend that you'd like to bring into court with you, and you may have to ask the judge to approve this before the hearing begins. As long as your friend is sensible and doesn't disrupt the hearing, they will usually be allowed in. You must be sure that your friend understands that all the court documents and everything that's said in court are confidential and mustn't be passed on to anyone else. Some judges will ask your friend to provide a short CV or fill in a simple application form. It follows that if your ex wants to have a Mackenzie friend with them in court, they will probably be allowed as well, unless there's a good reason. If you object, you must say so. Tell the usher before you go into court or tell the judge at the start of the hearing.